What's going on with y'all? I just want to give y'all a little quick little talk to. I leave it on right there. Want to learn everything you want to see is right here on this here page. You know what I mean? Hey, Hustle Hard, man. I was just here to say what up. No. Here we go one time. Hustle Hard Primo, man. Just here checking in, letting y'all know this is going to be the best shoe customizations in the world right here, all for free, just because you follow me. And I appreciate that. So stay tuned, stay riding with your boy, get some of these ideas, and, you know, hopefully you get some money, man. Let's roll.
We pull up in fancy cars every time we roll up. When we wanna see the stars, all we do is roll up. We ain't gotta hit the bars, all we do is pull up. Yeah, nigga, roll up. Yeah, nigga, pull up. Pulling up in fancy cars every time we roll up. We ain't gotta hit the bars, all we do is pull up. When we wanna see the stars, all we do is roll up. Yeah, nigga, pull up. Yeah, nigga, roll up. My mama used to tell me, son, you need to get a house. Go get a spouse, a picket fence. I chose a different route. I chose to see what bricks about. Rap and ship them out. Go laying up in bitches' houses. I'm the richest.